Right here in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a $30 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with, right, and that you can also withdraw from. So this bonus is actually free and you can also start trading with it. So when you meet with their terms and conditions, with their requirements, you can be able to withdraw from it. But note, you have to meet with their requirements. So right here in this video, I'll be quick with it. I will explain every details you need to know about it, right from how you can get the bonus to how you can start trading with it, and to the terms and conditions required to be able to withdraw from it. So if you watch this video patiently to the very end, you'll be able to get all of this, and you'll be able to know the country that is also eligible to get this particular account. So make sure you sit back, watch this video carefully, so that you'll be able to get everything you need to know and you avoid asking any questions after this video. All right, and I will not be taking much of your time. Just sit back, watch carefully, and get yours. All right, and don't forget to hit the subscription button. So how to get the account? All right, so when you get to their platform, when you get somewhere like this, all you have to do is, this is the account right here. All you have to do is to click on the menu button, and then you click on the promotions. You click on $30 welcome account, and this is it right here where you can get the no deposit bonus. And you just have to scroll down and start registering. But before that, let's quickly go through with their terms and conditions, the detailed terms and conditions. So I'll just be explaining the no deposit bonus terms and conditions, what concerns it, and not everything, because if I start reading everything, then it's going to take a lot of time. So I'll just explain what concerns the no deposit bonus. All right. So the terms and conditions. Now I want you to know that people from Europe countries cannot apply for this particular account, and this account is entirely for new clients. All right. This is totally for new clients. And what you mean by that is for those that have not registered with the platform before, right? It's only new client that can get this particular account. The account is going to last for 60 days, and after 60 days, you'll be given extra 14 days to be able to withdraw your profits. All right. The minimum withdrawal for this particular bonus is $30, while the maximum withdrawal is 100 USDT, as you can see showing on the screen. And you can only request for withdrawal once. And you cannot withdraw directly from your bonus account into your USDT wallet. But how you can do it is by making a transfer from your profit of your profits from your welcome account to the wallet. All right, and these are the steps by which you have to do it. You have to register a client account using the same information you used to create your welcome bonus account, and then you have to provide necessary documents for verification. And I also want you to know that this platform does not support you to have two accounts. All right, now moving on to the countries that are eligible for this particular no deposit bonus. Like I said, it is not available for European countries, but let's dive into more details. So these are the list of the countries that are not eligible. You can take out your time to go through it. All right, so you can just take out your time to go through it. Now moving on to how you can get this no deposit bonus account, after talking about the terms and conditions required to be able to withdraw from this particular no deposit bonus. So how can you get this particular account? So you know the drill. Register an account with them using your details, your name, email address, and everything. And after that, you have to verify your email address by the code they sent to your email address. All right, so after verifying that, then you agree to the terms and conditions. After agreeing, then you click on the submit button. And after clicking on the submit button, then you have to verify your personal details. All right, using ID that matches the name you used to register an account with them. And after doing all of this, then you wait for some time, maybe about 24 hours, and the bonus will be credited into your welcome bonus account. Right, your welcome bonus account. And after being credited, then you can start trading, and you meet with the terms and conditions, then you can be able to withdraw from it. And I want you to know that this particular bonus is actually available for only few countries, not for all countries. And the countries that is eligible for, I have listed it out in the beginning of the video. All right, so if you are eligible for this particular bonus, good luck to you. Please place, get your account and make profit, and then place your withdrawal and make money. Alright, so I'll be sharing more updates on my Telegram channel, so if you want to be a part of it, use the link in the description. And to also get the link to this bonus, you have to use the link in the description as well. You'll be able to get the link to get this particular bonus. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.